guys, welcome back to my channel youtuberviji. Do you love to have long nails like this? And do you want to know how to give this round shape to your nails and apply this nail polish in a neat and finished way? If yes, then you can continue watching this video, because in this video I am going to show you how to cut your nails to a round shape and give it a finished look. So come on, let's get started.
So here you can see my hands. I have not applied any nail polish and the nails are very long and not of an even shape. So first of all I am going to use, you can see I just need a nail cutter and a nail filer. So first I am going to use the nail cutter and I will cut the nails in a round shape. It will be a rough round shape when I use a nail cutter to cut it. See here, you have to give a rough round cut to your nails, and after that it's very simple. Just you have to use the nail filer. It is available in almost all the stores for just 10 rupees. So you have to just use the nail filer and give it a finished even nail. So I am doing the same with all my fingers. It's really very easy. Just give it a try. Once you have long nails, many are just confused how to maintain it and give it a beautiful look. So it's very simple. Just you have to cut it in a round shape and file it with the nail filer. You will get a smooth finishing. That's it. Once it's done, you can apply any nail polish of your favorite color. So as you saw, it's that much simple. I prefer to keep my nails short since there is chances of breakage whenever we are doing our household works. So once it becomes a little bit lengthy, I immediately cut it short round and make it really look beautiful using this simple method. Instead of a round shape, you can also give it a pointed shape. You just need to cut the sides a little more. So you can see I'm done with cutting my nails and giving it a finished look. Now let me choose a nail polish. So here I'm going to apply a pink shade. So that's it guys. Just this much is what you have to do to get beautiful nails. So just try it out. It's really very simple.
So as you saw, it is very easy and simple, isn't it, to cut your nails to give it a round beautiful look. So I hope this video was useful to you. I will come up with another interesting video. Until then, stay tuned on my channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Take care.